I think the greatest reward I get from coaching is seeing people hit huge milestones, get huge bookings, get their own show. Like, just had a client this morning who she's a lawyer, and she's really been wanting to get on a national platform and talk about legal issues and technology and social media. Beautiful girl, great presence. She's been trying to pitch herself to to New York and LA, news stations, CNN. She finally this morning got a break, and she's going on Good Day LA this month. And it's like those little successes that I'm just like, yes, because now that she's in the door, she can build from that opportunity. Another one of my students, clients, such a talented host. And I was like, this guy is great. He really should be on the map. And about a year ago, he got Entertainment Tonight. He's one of the main hosts on Entertainment Tonight Live now. And I have another client of mine that's a host on BuzzFeed. It's like when they get to that level, I'm like a proud mama bear, and it reinforces that what I'm instilling in them and the work that we're doing together is valuable and it's beneficial, and that I should continue to coach people because it does pay off for them. I've had a lot of incredible mentors and coaches on my path that I don't know that I would have had the successes that I've had without them. And, and one of them I lost about 2 years ago to cancer. And I really just think that it's a pay it forward thing. I have had successes, and I really do want to help other people, and I want to truncate that time. If they can get to their goals and not have so many laborious years of struggling, like that, I feel like is me really being of service, being somebody a fish. Like, okay, well, I know how to do this script well. I know how to do this scene well, but how do I apply kind of that formula or those rules and take it out into the world and, actually make some progress?